Hey my peeps, let's make watermelon cookies using my favorite silicone cookie mold and a candy corn cookie cutter. So you're going to take your pink clay and you're just going to put it into the mold. Make sure you press it down really good to get all the impressions of your cookie mold. And then you're going to take it out, and this cookie has like a shape like it's perfect for this candy corn cutter. So what you're going to do is just stretch it out a little bit so that it fits in your cookie cutter. I mean, if you have a smaller cookie cutter, then you don't have to stretch it out. But my cookie cutter is about like 4 inches, so I had to stretch it out a little bit. So then you're going to take a little piece of the bottom of that cookie off, okay? Then you're going to get your green clay, and you're just going to, make sure you get all those good indentations of the silicone mold. Pop it out, and then you're going to cut it out with your cookie cutter again, but you don't need the whole cookie. You're just going to need a little piece of the bottom, which is the piece that we cut off of the pink cookie, okay? And we're going to replace that with a little piece of green clay, okay? So that's going to be the rind of the watermelon. And just make sure that you press it real good and that those two pieces connect, okay? Make sure the clay connects. Then you're going to get a piece of your light green clay, and you're just going to roll it into a thin rope, and we're going to put that in between the pink and the green. So now I'm going to get my little like rollerball tool, and I'm kind of just pushing it into like the indentations that the cookie already has. I'm just basically trying to make it look like it's part of that cookie, like it wasn't, added to it. So I'm finding all the little dents and nooks and crannies of the cookie, and I'm just pushing it with the tool. And then I have some pre-made seeds, and honestly I didn't make enough, so make sure you make enough seeds for your cookie. I could have used a couple more, but you always underestimate, so that's why I always try to make more. But just put the put the seeds on the cookie here and there until you fill up your cookie. You put as many as you want, okay? So I could have used about 2 more at least, but it is what it is. It's still okay. I'm not going to stress out about it. Remember I told y'all, don't stress out about no crafting. Now you're going to get you some green paint, and you're going to put those lines on it, like that's on the rind. But you don't have to do this part. If you like the cookie the way it looked without the paint, then don't put the paint. That's totally up to you. These are your cookies. You make them however you want, honey. But that's it. There go the cookies. We used the silicone mold, a candy corn cutter, and boom, we got us some watermelon cookies. Aren't they cute? Go make you some. Talk to you later. Bye.